Identified. Your request for transfer to Basilisk Section 9 has received conditional approval. Your first task, and an important one at that, is suit calibration. Touch the interface to begin.
Parse. Compress.
Weapon deployment is based on hand height, not body position. Grab mid near chest height to deploy your primary, and grab high at shoulder height to deploy your special. Grab low near hip height to deploy your sidearm. Forward loading, press the magazine eject button. Grab near your body at any height to deploy a magazine. Insert it into your weapon. If the status remains red, you must rack the charging handle or slide. A reminder that these systems are designed to keep your eyes forward and in the fight. For example, you should not look down to deploy your sidearm. Build confidence you can reach low, grab, and raise your sidearm to eliminate your enemy. If weapon deployment is not behaving as expected, you can always recalibrate in the options menu. You've taken damage. Look to your HUD in the top left to see that your status is critical. Staying alive requires leveraging this suit's unique item deployment system. Press the item wheel button. Use the same hand to reach to the top slot where you have a syringe. Grab the item. Arm the item by pressing the trigger. And stab yourself in your arms or chest. Then look again to the top left to see your health as full. Again, this will require your item wheel. Open it, reach for a grenade, either to the left or right, and grab it. Wait, do not arm it yet. Pressing the trigger will arm the grenade and begin to count down. So when you are ready, trigger to arm, then throw into the designated area. It's worth keeping in mind it aids accuracy when your throw is a long arc, not a quick jab. Imagine throwing something heavy and far, not throwing sand. Your suit has the capability to hack into a hostile ship's procurement system. Interact with the resupply terminal. Then wait for authorization and delivery. Once arrived, grabbing one resupply box will entirely fill your reserves. Weapons, items, and health.
Flag.
When on contract, your objectives will appear as 3D waypoints. They are not a turn-by-turn guide, but they do point you in the general direction of your objective. The number refers to distance in 10-meter increments. Follow the waypoint to the objective.
Profile.
Here, we are simulating overloading critical ship infrastructure. Hold the lever in the upright position until the machine indicates failure.
All contract objectives complete. Return to the dropship for extraction.
One more critical tool. Navigating these complex, interconnected, and expansive ship interiors requires either a deep familiarity of that ship class, or more likely, a map. Open your item wheel. Grab and arm the map item in the bottom slot. This will show your relative location in the ship, objectives, nearby resupplies, and more. On contract, you are expected to find your own way, bypassing or overcoming all obstacles encountered. This is the final step. Move through the maze. Eliminate each threat. Survive.
Register.
Suppressing.
Warning, vital signs critical.
Covering. Contact. Inside. Just. Come on. Moving.
Congratulations on surviving. Let's hope you can do that on a real contract.